Hi everyone! We're going to learn all about comparing and ordering numbers. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil if you'd like to join in. Comparing and ordering numbers. You've been comparing and ordering numbers for years, working with bigger numbers every time. Now we need to be able to compare and order numbers up to 10,000. But with these skills, you'll soon be able to compare and order numbers in the millions. Top tip: use your place value knowledge to help you. Place value is the key to success. Knowing the value of each digit is really important. A place value chart can help us with this. Do you know what each heading stands for? Units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. We have our decimal point here, our tenths and our hundreds. Our tenths and our hundreds are parts of the whole. Let's take the number 12. By using our place value chart, we know that the number 12 has 2 units and 1 10. Let's take another number. Let's take the number 45. 45 has 5 units and 4 tens. Let's try a bigger number. Let's take the number 327. We know that the number 327 has 7 units, 2 tens, and 3 hundreds. Let's try an even bigger number. 1,732. Using our place value chart, we can see that the number 1,732 has 2 units, 3 tens, 7 hundreds, and 1,000. Knowing the value of each digit will help us order and compare numbers. When we compare numbers, we use the greater than, less than, and equal to symbols. Here are the symbols: greater than, less than, and equal to. A top tip is to remember that the crocodile always eats the largest number. The crocodile whose mouth is always open is facing the largest number. For example, let's take the numbers 7 and 4. We can compare these numbers by using one of the inequality symbols. We know that 7 is greater than the number 4, so we're going to use the greater than symbol. 7 is greater than 4. The crocodile's mouth is always open at the bigger number. Let's take the numbers 23 and 25. 23 is less than 25, so we need to use the less than symbol. 23 is less than 25. The crocodile's mouth is always open at the largest number. As you can see in this case, the crocodile's mouth is facing the number 25 because this is the largest number. And finally, 8 and 8. Well, 8 and 8 are the same number. They are equal, so we're going to use our equal sign. 8 equals 8. Let's try some more examples together. I know that 1,123 is greater than 520. Let's use our place value chart to help us. 1,123. 1,123 has 3 units, 2 tens, 100, and 1,000. 520. 520 has 0 units, 2 tens, and 5 hundreds. we can see that 1123 is the greater number. Therefore, we can compare these two numbers. 1123 is greater than 520. We've used our greater than symbol. Remember, the crocodile's mouth is always open at the largest number. I know that 256 is greater than 145. Let's use our place value chart to help us. 256 and 145. 256 has 6 units, 5 tens and 2 hundreds, and 145 has 5 units, 4 tens and 100. So we know that 256 is greater than 145 because it has more hundreds, more tens and more units. So 256 is greater than 145. Again, that crocodile's mouth is always facing the largest number. And finally, I know that 213 is less than 219. 213 and 219. 213 has 3 units, 1 ten and 2 hundreds, and 219 has 9 units, 1 ten and 2 hundreds. Let's take a look at the units. So 213 has 3 units, whereas 219 has 9 units. Well, we know that 9 is greater than 3. They both have the same amount of tens and the same amount of hundreds. Therefore, 213 is less than 219. And we've used our less than symbol to compare the two numbers. Can you compare these numbers? There are 5 pairs for you to compare. Pause the video and have a go using the place value chart if you need to. How did you get on? Here are the answers. 2,152 is less than 3,567. 354 is less than 896. 678 is greater than 671. 4,589 is greater than 4,587. And 832 is less than 892. Really well done if you managed to get all of those answers correct. Can you order these numbers from smallest to largest? When we order numbers from the smallest to the largest, this is called ascending order. Pause the video and have a go. Remember to use the place value chart if you need to. How did you get on? Here are the answers. In ascending order, the numbers are 832, 841, 853, 856 and 889. Well done if you got those answers correct. This time, can you order the numbers from largest to smallest? When we order numbers from the largest to the smallest, this is called descending order. Pause the video, take your time and have a go. How did you do? In descending order, the numbers are 2,115, 1,990, 1,359, 1,356 and 1,268. Really well done if you managed to order the numbers in descending order. Now it's your turn to try these example questions. There are 3 questions for you to try. Can you compare these numbers? Can you put these numbers in ascending order? Can you put these numbers in descending order? Pause the video, take your time and have a go. Let's go through the answers. Can you compare these numbers? 7,528 and 7,534. These numbers have the same amount of thousands, the same hundreds, but have different tens. We know that 2 tens are less than 3 tens, and therefore 7,528 is less than 7,534. Can you put these numbers in ascending order? Ascending order means from the smallest to the largest. Here are the numbers in ascending order: 913, 952, 960, 985, and 986. And finally, can you put these numbers in descending order? Descending means from the largest number to the smallest number. Here are the numbers in descending order: 1,679, 1,678, 1,593, 1,326, and 1,224. Really well done if you managed to get all of those answers correct. That brings us to the end of this lesson all about comparing and ordering numbers. Now, put your knowledge to the test and try the quiz.